So welcome back. Um, Now we're just gonna continue the replacement. So it's mathematics. So we'll do that of biology, and we'll paste math here. Replace all. Copy. Go to biology. Control A V. Enter. Chemistry. The same thing. I'll say chemistry. Replace biology. Replace all. Copy. um so come here, control AV. Physics, the same thing. I'll copy, cut. I would say paste physics. Replace all. Control AC. Control AV. So go to geography. Cut geography. Physics. Replace all. Yeah, it's pretty repeated stuff. Come here, control AV. Enter technical drawing. I'll just cut to AX technical drawing, right? Control AV, replace all. Control AC. Come here, control AV, computer science. So control X, so computer science, and control V, replace all. Control AC. Come here, control AV, literature. Come here, AX literature. And it's pretty boring, right, to do. To think data analytics is all about cleaning data. Yeah, I usually will tell people it's problem solving. You're solving problem, and problem is always boring. There's nothing enjoyable about problems, really, if you look at it. It's not just cleaning data and using tools, it's actually solving problems using skills and the knowledge of tools you have at your disposal. When I'm done, I'll just select everything and really just click. Oh, so I said I'm not going to do for this guy, so it's giving me something wrong. I'll just click and drag like this, and we are good. So for the poor, I can just change. So we have 73. So we'll just do the grading, right? What is A, what is B, what is C, what is D, E. So I want to believe that 35 is F, 36 to 40 is D, 41 to 49, so sorry, 41 to 49 is D. This guy is E, C, B, A, and again I might be wrong. So 50 to 64, let's say 65 to 74, then 75 above. You might correct me. And so now that we know that, we can come and change this guy. So we'll do if now we're actually going to change Again, I want to make my life easier, right? Control A C. What we want to refer to is F what F16. So instead of I, so I've copied it, gone here, paste. So what I want to do is to change the $sign I $10 to F16. I don't want to have to do that, right? A $sign F $6 16. So but I want to click and drag, so I will do this guy and do replace, Control A C, and now I can Control A V. Oh no, sorry, what did I do? Control A V and enter. What did I do here? Oh, okay, so I can now do this guy and say if you are um if you are less than 36, really, I'm not going to put the and. So if you are less than 36, just give this guy F. Else if you are between 36 and less than 41, give this guy E. And so if you are if you are greater or equal to 41, less than 50, give this guy a C. If you are greater than or equal to oh sorry, this is D. Greater than or equal to 50, less than 65, give this guy a C. The next one is, so I'm just going to copy this guy. This one looks more. So greater than or equal to 65, less than 75, B. Then the last one will now be Control V, greater than 75, and I don't need the and to continue. Give this guy A, and yep, we are good. All I just need to do is just to click and drag. So set 75. So what's now happening? So this is odd. Greater than 70. Oh shoot, is greater than or equal to 75. What the reason why it's showing me an error is because I didn't put 75 as part of its consideration in the if condition, and now that I've done that, so we can say A is very good, B is like that, and we can automate this guy as well. We'll say excellent. Again, I'm just going to use this. Frankly, it just felt for me to use that, and you know, poor, fair, good, very good, um uh so I think I'm just going to bring this guy like this, and good will be fair, will be poor, yeah, and this one will be very poor. So in the next video we would continue the session.